Collier Pickard have improved my business by helping me eliminate non-value added activities, which has reduced my non-productive cost base. That's improved our profitability, it's improved our standing and our reputation with our clients, and generally we just run a more successful business. My name's Brian Hume, I'm the Managing Director of Martec International. We're a company that develops and markets e-learning education to help people who either work in the retail industry or the consumer goods manufacturing industry, or people who sell to those industries. We started working with Collier Pickard because originally we built our own database marketing solution in a thing called DBase 3. We found Maximizer on a business trip. We knew how to use it, but we didn't know how to get the best out of it. We came across Collier Pickard and realized that these guys could really help us get the best from it and get productive really quickly, and they've been supporting us ever since. So our relationship with them goes back, well, at least 25 years. There are lots of different functions in Maximizer. We use quite a high proportion of the functionality in the product. We're probably using 80% of the capability of the product. Collier Pickard are great to work with because they really understand our company and the way that we work. They understand our business objectives. They are very proactive. They don't just bill you for the license fees, take the money and wait for you to phone up and say, I've got a problem. So they will contact you periodically and say, how's it going? You know, what issues have you got? What initiatives have you got? Is there anything we can help you with? By the way, did you know about this, that, or the other? They generate ideas on ways that we could do things better with Maximizer that we hadn't thought of. They'll bring those ideas to us. When new functionality comes out in Maximizer, they will educate us on new releases, particularly on the ones that they think will add the most value to us. For example, when a company called Survey Mechanics came along, and Survey Mechanics was building integrations to Maximizer, Simon Pickard came along and said, you guys need to look at this because I know you do surveys with SurveyMonkey. You should look at Survey Mechanics because these guys are integrating to Maximizer. That might cut out some of your non-productive work, just getting data from one system into another. They have saved me huge amounts of money over the 25 years we've been in business. Not directly in things like Maximizer costs, but in the things that I've been able to automate or things I've been able to do that before that functionality came into Maximizer, I just couldn't do it at all. The support team at Collier Pickard are terrific because their knowledge of Maximizer is so deep that they can take an issue that you call them with, they can find the solution very quickly and get you moving on your solution as fast as possible. The vast majority get resolved almost immediately. The tail end that don't get resolved almost immediately very often get resolved the same day. I would recommend Collier Pickard to anybody that has an existing CRM system and wants to get the most from it, or someone who's looking at embarking on CRM for the first time and wants to avoid a lot of the common mistakes people make, because the coaching and guidance from Collier Pickard will enable them to get productive very much faster.